Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you what's inside this makeover bodies that my daughter made. Okay, I already
Bodies.
baddies. So I'm gonna remove what's inside. I already opened it a while ago. So the first thing that you're gonna do is you need to pop this pimple. And then I remove it. I have to pop it first. Then after I pop it, I'll remove it. Then you also have to remove this eyebrow. The long eyebrows. Remove this one. After I remove the eyebrow, what happened to the eye? And then I also remove the lips. Okay, and then that's why there are other things that I can use for the lips. There's lipstick. I'm gonna use this to put some lipstick on her, and you can also put some makeup foundation. See,
That's what foundation.
makeup for the face. And then, this is for the eyes. It's eyeshadow. Oh, I also forgot that there's also eye bags. So I have to remove the eye bag. Eye bag. And you need a needle to poke this. So that's all, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye. So a while ago, I forgot to poke this pimple. So now I got a needle. This is what you're gonna do. Poke this pimple because there's some gooey stuff. Yuck, because there are pimples. There's pus inside. After you remove it, I forgot to show you that you're gonna put
The
a
eyeballs.
mask. This one has no eyeball.